Hello, all. My name is Jacob. I'm a co founder of Draiklin. I have a strong IT background and I've been a part of a corporate as well. We started off with the dry cleaning and textile industry because this being a very promising and very vibrant and potential industry here in India as well as everywhere else in the world. We started off with an idea of opening a store. We have a single store at present in the southern part of Bangalore, that's at Bannerghatta Road. And we are planning to expand all across the city as well as across Pan India as well. So, as I said before, that I have a strong IT background and being a part of a corporate, I always have a flair for technology. And the biggest challenge that I and I'm sure that everyone else would have come across with while starting a new business would be to how to remain organized and how to keep a tap on each and every movement and actions that we do so that it helps us in deciding and evaluating what all we are doing and where we are heading to. Now, Turns has solved that purpose. I have evaluated many other POS systems before that, but no one can match Turns and the kind of technology and the reports that they follow and help us in growing and in managing our daily activities. So while when we started the operations of Draiklin here in the southern part of the city, the biggest pain point that we observed, and I'm sure that everyone else would have realized after starting off, is that how to remain connected with the customers in real time. Turns POS really solves all the solution by Turns really solves that because we can always remain connected with each and every devices. We can check the real time processing of the order. I can see that what all is happening because thanks to the technology that Turns offers us, I can see it being in motion. Uh, I can track all my drivers. I can track everything. On top of it, the customers are being informed in real time through live messaging and other modes of communication that they opt for. Additionally, the other problem and challenge, if we're talking about the pain points, would be to have a live tracking on all the picks and drops that we do on a daily basis. So, Turns and their fleet app for that matter really serves the purpose and it solves all the issues not only to the dry cleaners and the laundromats but also to the customers because they get all the live updates and they need not to keep calling us every time that they need not to be in touch with us because they can do it on their own mobile devices and that really helps and that's really helpful and a blessing for us. So Turns really helps Draiklin in promoting our business a lot. It helps in generating the orders through the mobile app. We all know that we all are glued to our mobiles. That's a blessing to us that we have a customer facing app, which most of our customers use most of the time in generating the orders. The picks and drops that we get it generated, the notification that we get, they all are helpful in our daily activities. On top of it, Turns helps and provides us the digital marketing support. The Google My Business profile that is being managed by Turns is tremendously helping us in all aspects. The kind of reviews that we get is all the credit goes to Turns for that matter. And all the campaigns and the marketing tools that we have been provided from Turns really helps us. The highly advanced touch screens and their smoother operations helps not only me but all my staffs here at Draiklin to use Turns POS with utmost ease. On top of it, we have a multilingual support in the POS, which really helps everyone around to use the system and make it very easy to use on our daily in our daily lives. That's right. So now I would like to speak about how Turns helps us in growing our business here at Draiklin. I totally believe that the reports, the wallet features that Turns mobile app has helped us in growing our business, retaining our customers a lot. That has helped us in regaining and reaching out to people. At least 25 to 30% of our revenues comes from that particular feature. When we speak about the wallet amount, the campaigns, and the marketing tools that Turns provides us, and that has been really, really very helpful. Turns is all-in-one system for my modern dry cleaning and laundry business.